Okay, and here is a quick update. Not sure if I'll put this on Facebook or YouTube, so follow Florida Pro Lawn Care on both. Maybe I'll go on Instagram. This is after the cleanup. Everything was overgrown here from several months of Florida happening. And so we came in and cleaned all of the shrubs up, got rid of all of the overgrown bushiness. Albino rhino. Okay, let's check out the back where most of the action was. This area was overgrown with weeds and plants, random plants growing up out of nowhere. So let's go back here and see how things are looking. This was all overgrown. Now it's all cleaned out. And we had to take out the bad sod. So we prepped for some new fresh sod to come in. Had to reset the irrigation box. It was sitting up really high. And we got rid of a lot of old dead plants that were in the perimeter. So now it's ready for sod. We went through all the sprinklers. Here is the view. Interesting fact about this project, we originally, years ago, we installed this sod, and the original person who's our customer, they sold the house, and then our current customer, they purchased the house. And they just looked up a landscaper and found us and called us. So it's really interesting. It wasn't a referral. It was two separate times where people were looking for a reliable landscaper, and they found Florida Pro. You can find us at floridaprolawncare.com, 904-321-9181 for a free quote. We go through the process of doing it right. What you see right now is the preparation for installing fresh sod. And as you know, the preparation is most of it comes from your preparation. Most of the quality results comes from preparation, especially when you think about delicious food. And so that's what we're doing with this lawn, going through the process of preparing, where we'll be adding some soil and some sod. Stay tuned. Thank you for checking out this video. Here's another shot of this view for you.